2022 Honda Passport changes, price, specs. For those searching for the particular midsize SUV, safer to ready yourself now for this reason that impending Honda Passport can strike the street shortly. Finding the final Honda Passport inside 2022, the vehicle was adorable because of its sector. It was actually viewed in the engine and fine seam. Now, Honda intends to develop the upcoming year's product. You may already know which a midsize crossover auto usually incorporates traveler and freight room. Without a doubt, there are numerous choices for this sort of kind, for example, the Hyundai Santa Fe, Ford Edge, or perhaps Toyota 4Runner. Yet the key reason why we would like to try this innovative Honda Passport due to everything within by itself. Not merely existing because of the multi-purpose vehicle, a 2022 Honda Passport significantly operates much more refinement as compared with its past version and competitors, a lot more comfort and ease, and punchy velocity. 2022 Honda Passport redesign. Exterior design. Many people possibly believe that 2022 Honda Passport is just not appealing adequate for the great automobile. But, do not ignore this innovative Passport. The car will astonish you to have a clean design. Ignore the conventional design due to the fact you will definitely get a quicker body as well as a wheelbase. Much more details are at the front end and back fascias, the particular tail lights which come to be smaller sized, and a variety of silhouettes that accept the durability. We think that the present-day household will enjoy this automobile. There are 2 models just for this auto, though definitely makes the new Passport appears bulkier and better soil. The fender is properly built in, which generates a terminology of elegant identification. Interior design. 2022 Honda Passport. At this moment our company is shifting towards the central aspect. In the within, you can expect to have the exact same environment as being the previous version. But there are several enhancements on this page. The area is a lot more huge for the traveler along with the freight. As this automobile is 9 for a longer time, totally folks acquire more cozy there. When you are wanting to know for that freight restriction, it is actually practically 78 cubes using the back-end chairs folded away or identical 41 cubic toes at convenience with back-end car seats functioned. When to the driver, there exists a several spoke control with the 8-in touchscreen infotainment program around on the full dashboard with gloss applique. You will notice one other big difference around the back-end area. Apart from the back chair, the great thing is the storing pocket has a much better design. The display will be able to connect for your mobile phone along with Apple CarPlay, Android mobile phone automobile, Wi-Fi, and, naturally, the Honda Link Linked Auto package. The enhanced design enables you to take advantage of the ventilated car seats, warmed controls, and background lights. 2022 Honda Passport engine. 2022 Honda Passport. To aid the performance, the enthusiasts assume Honda will not change the engine except if they update it. So, when it occurs, then a Passport could have some sort of 3.5-liter V6 engine of which brings about 280 HP along with 262 lb-ft of torque. 2022 Honda Passport release date and price. This specific 2022 Honda Passport aspect needs to be the most needed issues you would like to know. Unluckily, there is not any recognized verification concerning the variety. But you may expect it expenses all around $32,000 to be able to $40,000. Even so, men and women definitely feel that it will not be than $40,000 until you increase the characteristics inside of. While the release date is just not correctly nevertheless. Should you wish to discover this vehicle at the start of 2022, that may be almost certainly achievable.